It's never an accident. It is always the result of high intention, sincere effort, intelligent direction, and meticulous refinement. It represents the wise choice of many alternatives. Quality is a tradition built deep within our DNA. We have a commitment to excellence, sought through precision manufacturing and exceptional attention to detail. Hand-built by experts, Leica Geosystems delivers products designed to perform with consistency and reliability. Quality, precision, accuracy. We strive for perfection in everything we do, taking the best that exists and making it better. If it doesn't exist, we create it, accepting nothing as nearly right or good enough. Engineered for total certainty and tested to the extremes, these value-engineered products are the definition of exacting standards. The world has changed from quality to quantity. Why not have both? From the leaders in 3D reality capture, this is the power of scanning.